I've been at VER for almost 7 years now. I work in our R&D group in product development. Specifically, I do mostly product management at this point, as well as project managing some of our large LED permanent install projects. We're a rental company that provides equipment technology for the live entertainment industry. We've had a long history, not just in our company, but in our industry of using NETGEAR products primarily on the unmanaged switching side. As we started moving into more complex environments where we needed true layer 3 switching, lots of fiber capacity, I started evaluating not just NETGEAR, but other companies in the market space as well. Some of our key requirements were the amount of fiber backbone capacity between switches, not just the cost of the switches, but also the total cost of ownership, including things like support and maintenance contracts, were key factors in determining the appropriate product for our market. One of our big shows that we did not long ago is a major concert tour that was really wanted to push the boundaries of technology, much more so than any of the other concert tours out there. Typically in that environment, you'll have independent networks between each department, such as audio, video, lighting, that are completely isolated from one another. On this particular show, they were doing such a tight level of integration of technology between them that they needed a switching solution that would allow everybody to share the same network, yet also be secure and highly redundant. And that was why we chose the NETGEAR product. The key thing that we've really come to appreciate from NETGEAR is the amount of support that we've gotten. A lot of us that work with the product or on the R&D side, we're engineers in our own right, software development, hardware development. So it's been especially valuable for us as we do testing and integration with our products that we've been able to interface with NETGEAR at a high level, including their product management and their engineers. And the support we've gotten has been absolutely amazing.